Hello everybody, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. We're going to go through the ETFs. Why do we go through the ETFs? Well, here's a fact for you. Not an opinion, a fact. Leading groups produce leading stocks. Leading stocks produce leading groups. By looking at the ETFs, we can in a matter of seconds see what's strong or what's weak, things to concentrate on or areas to avoid. And that helps us make better investing decisions, which leads to more money. That's why we look at the ETFs. I look at them every day, real quick, down and dirty. Here we go. Biotechnology. This is the 200-day and this is the 50-day moving average. What does it tell you? Biotech's dead. It's been dead for a long time. Leave it alone. Cloud computing, it's dead. It's below the falling moving averages. Leave it alone. Drive vehicles, okay, electric vehicles, it's dead. Leave it alone. Look at this. There's nothing there. It was great through here. Yeah, we were involved big time. But right now, there's nothing good happening with it. Move on. Dow Jones Internet, dead. Nothing. Leave it alone. IBD 50, note this. You see this low here? I'm going to show you something again. Fairly low. Fairly low. 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 Oh, not so bad. The IBD 50. Maybe it's going to turn. I say maybe. It's below the falling 50-day and the falling 200-day. Be aware of that. Gold miners. Look at that. Yep, we're involved. See this? Look at the strength in this. It's been strong. I just showed you a bunch of ETFs that look like crud. Look at this one, what it's been doing. Yes, and you think we own this? Look at that. You see the base right there? Watch this. We've got a clean shelf right here. So I guess if it takes out those tops, that'd be pretty good. If volume's there. Oh, gee whiz, I guess other people saw what we saw. Yeah, that's what we want, isn't it? And it's measured by two ways. Price action and volume. And look what you get. There you go. That's a good start. Good start. Do we sell some in the strength? This is a great lesson for everybody. When you get a huge gap up like this and it starts to drop, that's a gift. That is a gift. Sell some into the gift. Okay? There you go. You don't get that very often, but what you do, it's pretty nice. Biotechnology, dead. Online retail, dead. North American technology, dead. I don't need to think about it anymore. It's like, oh, this is it. No, there's nothing happening good there. Move on. Okay? Medicine, maybe, but it's below the falling 50-day and below the 200-day. Nothing special. Mid-cap, dead. Nothing's going on there. Home builders was really strong for a long time, right? We were involved, but now there's nothing. S&P growth, it's lagging. Nothing really special. Jets, look at this. Airlines, what does this tell you? They ain't flying. There you go. And it's been telling you, when it starts to fall off the falling 200-day, you better be careful with the airline stocks. The charts tell you. I love that. Regional banking, loose and choppy, nothing good going on there. Biotechnology, dead. Mid-cap, chopping around, nothing really special. Oil services. Oh, look at this. I just showed you a bunch of charts that look like crud. Look at this. Online retail, dead. Infrastructure is lifted a bit, but there's nothing really special there. Cloud computing, dead. Steel, look at this. SMH, lagging, dead. Solar, dead. Small cap, dead. Oil, oh gee whiz, another oil ETF. That's how you connect the dots. Isn't that great? Yeah, are we involved with oil, energy? Yes. Aerospace and defense. This is related to something with what's going on, and it's unfortunate what's going on in Ukraine. Are we involved? Yes, in two different areas. What? Lockheed Martin and Northrop. LMT and OC. There you go. XBI, dead. Biotechnology. Home builders, dead. Nothing. Materials, dead. Nothing. Energy, another ETF. Look at that. That's how you connect the dots. That's how you build the case to say, even way back here, I guess I should look at some energy stocks. Even back here, I guess I should look at some energy stocks. There you go. Financials, dead. Don't do anything with it. Industrials, lagging, nothing to do with it. Technology, nothing really going on with that, is there? I mean, look, you don't have to overthink it. There's nothing happening right now. Consumer staples. Oh, this is showing a little bit of strength. What's consumer staples? The staples, the things people need. Okay, toilet paper, toothpaste, things people need. Defensive, hanging in there. There you go. Healthcare, slightly defensive. It's kind of so-so. Consumer discretionary, lagging. Metals and mining. Look at this. Are we involved in metals and mining? Oh, yes. It's telling us to. We've been in it. Now, you can say, I wonder what they own. Here's a great helpful hint for all of you. You can punch up XME in Google and top 10 holdings, and you can find out what they are. Look at the charts. And you know what? I guarantee you will say, man, some of those things broke out on February 25th. I guarantee it. Go look. That's how we connect it out at Mission Winners. We've been doing it for decades like that. And it works. Oil and gas, another oil and gas. I'm so surprised. No, we're not. We saw it with the other ones. XRT, retail, dead, nothing there. Software, nothing there, dead. So now let's look at the max list. What's going on? Here we go. It's below the falling 50-day. It's above the rising 200-day on Apple, has a higher low. Perhaps it'll start to lift off, but be pragmatic. You can say, oh, I see this pattern. You're not going to see this pattern in any chart book anywhere saying, this is what you look for, okay? Are you in here, Bill O'Neill? See this right here? Yeah, that's what you look for. No, it's not. That's a clean and simple shelf. You see that right there? We owned that. That was good money. Right here, it's choppy. Be careful. Amazon, it's choppy. It has a higher low. It's below the falling 50-day and the falling 200-day. It's choppy. Be careful. If it does trigger, go smaller. Good investing is not one size fits all. And you're not going to see this in any chart book saying, this is a high probability setup. Alibaba, nothing. BIDU, nothing. It's just choppy. It's sloppy. Facebook or Meta, nothing. Google, higher low, below the falling 50-day, below the 200-day. Does have a higher low. That's potential, okay? The higher low setup. Now I'm going to go back, and you see the low here and this low. This low is higher than this low. Train your eyes on this. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low, okay? Baba's dead. Baidu, yeah, but this is junk for now, okay? Facebook, yeah, but it's so far below everything it doesn't count. This low is higher than this low. There you go. You got a great lesson there. Lower lows, nothing there, dead. MasterCard, lower lows, nothing there, dead. Microsoft, higher low. This low is higher than this low. I'm not saying it's going to go up, but I want to coach and educate you on the pattern, and it is a viable pattern. This is just going sideways. It doesn't really even have a higher low, all right? Nvidia, this has a higher low. It's below the 200-day just a little bit, possibly, but it's aggressive. You can say, I don't know about this higher low stuff. How's that? This low is higher than this low, right? There it is. Right there, buy and more buys on that bar right there. And so you're buying, we'll say your average cost is $210. $210 to $340, $330. Do the math. That was on the key list. VIPs bought it. That is a run. There you go. Yeah, the higher low setup. It works. So there it is. Now, am I saying it's going to work here? No, I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it is a viable setup that we use, and I've used it for years. And it's just day charts. It's nothing fancy. Tesla, higher low. You want to see something interesting? Look at the low here. See, there's different things you can see. It's just right at the 200-day, correct? This low, today's low, a little bit below yesterday's low. Do you see this? And it's right at the 200-day. Remember that. Just a little bit below yesterday's low and at the 200-day. Apple, it's above the 200-day. That's the plus. Below the 200-day. Well below the 200-day. Below the 200-day. Way below the 200-day. Little bit below the 200-day. Way below the 200-day. Junk. Just a hair below the 200-day. You see where I'm getting with this? Junk. Just a little bit below the 200-day. At the 200-day. How many times did I say, when we just ran through all those MAXLIST stocks, did I say at the 200-day once. This one. Now, am I saying it's going to take off? No, but it's exhibiting more strength than the other ones. This is a great lesson. This is what we coach all the time in Mission Winners. Dead. Dead. So again, I'm going to go back and show you Tesla. Right at the 200-day. Do you agree? And this low is higher than this low. Right at the 200-day. And please don't think I'm endorsing buying Tesla. I'm just illustrating analysis of the charts. At the 200-day, high or low. Above the 200-day, high or low. Right? Below the 200-day. Dead. Dead. Way below the 200-day. Below the 200-day. Way below the 200-day. Below the 200-day. A little bit below the 200-day. Way below the 200-day. Below the 200-day. At the 200-day. Way below the 200-day. Way below the 200-day. Right there is a real-world lesson on strength and weakness. Now, that being said, what do we wait for next? And we'll look at Tesla, okay? We'll look at Tesla. What does it need to do? And this is the real world. This isn't textbook stuff, okay? You've got a high or low. You need a good market. If it's not a good market, you don't do anything. We haven't really done any buying this week. We don't force trades, please. And we don't force buys. And we don't day trade either. I don't look at 5-minute charts. I'm looking for a bigger picture trend. Potential with a higher low right here, taking out today's highs. What will it need? It will need a good market, okay, and good price volume action on the stock. There you go.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.